Welcome to another behind the scenes look for The Haunt at Great Oak. This time we're taking a look at Jack and Sally, as well as Zero, all from The Nightmare Before Christmas. These items here, when we purchased them from Amazon, the arms were posable, but the rest of the body was not, which I wanted to have these freestanding and not hanging like they are wind socks floating in the wind. So, went to local hardware store and purchased PVC pipe, which I made the spine going through here, going down, and then made hips and knees and legs going all the way down to the base of these characters. So now they're freestanding. They've got plenty of joints. I'm able to do them in different poses. If I'd like to, I could have the leg bend in whichever position I would like it to be in. Now I have him looking like this, and he's able to stand like that. So anyway, that's basically what I did to make Nightmare Before Christmas figurines posable, fully posable.
Go and make some.